Hello viewers, today we are talk about Agnolo Bronzino. Agnolo Bronzino was born on 17 November 1503 and from a young age. He showed a natural talent for painting. At around 11 years old, he became a pupil of Jacopo, better known as Pantormo, one of the key figures of the Mannerist movement. Pontormo's influence is evident in Bronzino's early works, where he adopted his mastered delicate use of color and allignated forms. However, as he developed his own style, Borzino moved toward a more polished and precious techniques, distancing himself from Pontormo's more emotional and expressive approach. Mannerism, the style Borzino's is most associated with avant-garde as a response to the harmonious ideals of the High Renaissance. Instead to focusing on naturalism and balanced composition, Mannerist painters often emphasized artificially elongated proportions and complex, elegant poses. Brosinos excelled in these qualities, blending intricate detail with a cool determined. His portraits, in particular, are known for their idealized beauty, rich textures, and refined elegance. The figure in his works often have a porcelain-like smoothness with expressions that seem distant and aloof. One of Bronzino's most famous early works is the portrait of a young man with a book, 1513, a prime example of his manners style. The subject's face is calm and composed, with the focus on the precious detail of his clothing, the textures of the fabric, and the perfect arrangement of the sitter's position. His painting, like many of Bronzino's portraits, highlight his ability to capture the self assured confidence of Florence's elite. In the 1530s, Borzino's career took a significant turn when he became the court painter for Duke Cosimo I de' Medici, the ruler of Florence. This rule allowed him to work on a variety of prestigious commissions and help solidify his status as one of the leading painters of the time. He created a series of official portraits of the Medici family, including the iconic portrait of Eleanor of Toledo with her son Giovanni, which is one of his most celebrated works. In his portrait, Borzino's presents Eleanor, the wife of Cosimo's I, as an embodiment of elegance and nobility. Her luxurious gown, made of intricate gold brocade and her calm, composed expressions reflect the wealth and status of the Medici court. The portrait is not only a masterpiece of Mannerist art but also serves as a political statement, projecting the image of stability and power in the Medici family. Though Bronzino is best known for his portraits, he also painted many religious and allegorical scenes. His large altarpiece, like the Disposition from the Cross 1540, demonstrated his ability to handle complex composition and convey deep religious emotion, albeit with the same polish, almost sculpture quality seen in his portraits. One of Bronzino's most famous mythological work is Venus, Cupid, Folly, and Time, 1545, a highly allegorical painting that illustrates the themes of love, time, and decoration. The painting is notable for its elaborate poses, intricate symbolism, and the cold, almost marble like figure. While beautiful, the scenes is unsettling, with the figures appearing emotionally deposit despite the sensual nature of the subject's matter. This intricate and enigmatic quality is a hallmark of Bronzino's work. Agnolo Bronzino's influence extended far beyond his lifetime. His portraits set a standard for courtly elegance that influenced many painters in Florence and beyond. Additionally, his religious and mythological works contributed to the evolution of Mannerism as an important artistic movement in the 16th century. In addition to his work as a painter, Bronzino was also a poet and close friend of some of the leading literary figures of his day, including Benvenuto and Francesco. His poetry, though less well known than his paintings, reflects his intellectual approach to art and fine. Bronzino died on 23rd November 1572 in Florence, leaving behind a rich legacy that continues to be celebrated today. His works are housed in many of the world's most prestigious museums, including the Uffizi Gallery in Florence and the National Gallery in London. Today, Bronzino is remembered as one of the masters of Mannerist painting, whose cool elegance, technical precision, and sophisticated composition capture the essence of the Italian Renaissance late phases. Thank you for watching this video.